Do you want to know how you can choose the communication style on Wise? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can choose the communication style on Wise. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any time. Go ahead and open wise.com on any of your browser you have on your PC. The next step is to log into your account. After you have successfully logged into your account, you will see this type of interface. Go ahead and click on your profile on the top right hand side and click on settings. After you click on settings, scroll a bit down and you can see contacts on Wise, send and receive from people on Wise without using bank details. So this is how you can change the communication style. Tap on it and you can see there are two communication styles, either email address or phone number. People on Wise can find you by email address or phone number. So you can enable it and you can disable one of it. If you want people to contact you via your email address, you can disable the phone number option and enable it. But if you want to keep your email address incognito, you can disable it and enable the phone number. People will only find you using your phone number from now on. So guys, this is how you change your communication style on Wise. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.